How to make a full video with only AI? Yes, you heard that right. I made this video entirely with AI. From the images and backgrounds to the music and sound effects, everything was done with just one AI tool. No more going to multiple websites for each part of your content creation. Now it's all in one place. Did you know that some YouTube channels make thousands of dollars a month? All they do is make trailer videos with AI. Check out this channel. It has 267,000 subscribers and all of its videos have gone viral. This channel is completely monetized, and if you think it's impossible, just watch one of their videos. Everything was made with AI, from the voiceover to the background videos and music. A few years ago, making videos of this quality was only possible for professionals with expensive tools. But today, anyone can make videos like this with this technology. AI is like the internet in the 90s. If you're not using it now, you're falling behind. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create engaging movie trailers and monetize your YouTube channel without a face using just one tool. So make sure to watch this video until the end, like and subscribe, because I'll explain every step in detail. Without wasting any time, let's get to the tutorial. Now enter the Focal ML site. Why is Focal ML so powerful? This tool incorporates all the latest AI technologies, such as Minimax, Runway, Flux, and other advanced tools. This means that you can produce professional and creative content with just a few clicks. To get started, just click on the link in the video description and register with your email. After logging in, you will be presented with a simple and attractive user interface. Creating your first project in Focal ML, click on Enter app. Okay guys, let's make a short video in a few minutes. Just click on the New Project option. Here, select the video duration, which should be a few minutes. Then you can select the video language. Then I'll choose an idea that the site itself suggested, like the Battle of Leyte Gulf. Then I'll start creating the story in a few moments. Here guys, choose the global style for your video. First, go to the global style section. Here you can choose a suitable style for your video from the different styles. Choosing this section is very important because it affects the overall look and feel of your video. The available styles can include formal, entertaining, educational, etc. Depending on the type of your content, choose the one that matches the theme of your video. After choosing the style, it is time to set the video size. If you are planning to publish your video for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, the best option is the 9:16 vertical size. This setting will make your video fit perfectly on the mobile screen and create a better experience for the viewers. Now that you have specified the style and size, the system will automatically create different scenes for your video. This process takes only a few seconds and does not require any complicated settings. This feature helps to create a suitable and professional scenario for your video without the need for manual editing. One of the interesting features of this tool is the ability to choose the narrator of the video. You can choose from male or female voices with different tones. Some of the options include formal, exciting, gentle, and even humorous. This feature will make your video sound more natural and attractive. Now everything is ready to produce the video. All you have to do is click the generate button. The system will immediately create the required scenes based on your settings. The interesting thing is that if you click this button several times, different scenes will be generated. This means that you can try new scenes over and over again until you achieve the best possible result. After creating the scenes, you now need to select your images. At this stage, you can convert still images into animations, meaning that the images will appear dynamically and move in your video. This will give your video a sense of life and dynamism and make it easier for your audience to connect with it. Finally, after completing all the steps, the system will finalize your video in a few moments and make it ready for download. Now you have a professional video that you can immediately publish on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform. Once you are on the Focal ML page, click on New Project. Start from an idea. In this option, you just need to enter a simple prompt and the AI will create the story and scenes for you. If you have already written a script, just enter it and the tool will automatically create the right scenes for you. If you like to work completely handmade and customized, you can create everything manually from scratch. Now let's try the first option and see how Focal ML can create a super professional video for us with just a simple idea. Now that we have launched the project, we enter the section of choosing a style and advanced settings. This is where you can give your video a unique visual identity and personalize it exactly the way you want. Choosing a visual style, everything is under your control. One of the great features of Focal ML is the variety of visual styles. You can choose from several artistic and cinematic styles. From animation and fantasy to realistic and cinematic, all options are at your disposal. After choosing a style, the artificial intelligence automatically creates the required characters and locations. Just like that, your movie environment is created. Adjusting the voices of characters and scenes. Another powerful feature of this tool is the ability to adjust the voices of characters. From this section, you can change the type of voice and tone of speech. Choose the voices of characters to your liking. Add a completely new voiceover to the scene if needed. Also, your script is divided into multiple neat sections, each representing a separate scene. You can review each scene, modify it, or even add a new one. Entering the video editing stage is where you enter a professional video editing environment, just like an editing software, but much simpler and smarter. From the left, you can change the following: video style, animated, realistic, etc. Character voices, video chapter structure. From the advanced settings section, you can change the aspect ratio, 16:9, 9:16, etc. Choose from the best graphic models, such as Stable Diffusion, Flux, etc. Adjust video models and create dynamic scenes. Focal ML has the best video generators that you can choose based on your needs. If you want, you can change the background, but here I will keep it the same. Now Focal ML will automatically generate scenes with images and sound. Your video is taking shape. After processing, you can see the final result of the scenes. All scenes are made with professional images, sound effects, and effects. Final editing. Fully customize your scenes. After generating the scenes, click Accept to add them to the video timeline. At this point, you can edit the video as you like. Make the length of the scenes shorter or longer. Change the order of the scenes. Adjust the volume and voice of the characters. Do you want to add a new scene? Just click New Scene, then select your character, location, or custom elements. Click Create, and the AI will generate the new scene for you. After generating, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline. Does a scene need to be changed? Click on the scene and then click Regenerate to have the AI regenerate it. Convert images into animated videos. To animate images and create professional animations, select the desired scene. Click the animation icon. You can use the suggested commands or enter your own custom request. After processing, your images will be transformed into a real video clip. The end result? You have created a complete video. As you can see, with just a simple idea and Focal ML, you were able to create a professional video including animated characters, voiceover, images, and special effects. Now it's your turn. The link to the tool is in the video description. Try it out now and create your own. Now that we have done all the steps of producing images and animations, it is time to make our video more professional. A real trailer does not only need moving images, but also a combination of sound effects, music, and visual effects. One of the most important parts of a movie trailer is its soundtrack. To do this, go to the audio section and select the Add Music option. Here you can use the existing music bank or upload a custom music. For thriller trailers, epic, scary, or exciting music is the best option. A great movie would be incomplete without sound effects. To create a more realistic feel, add sound effects such as explosions, collisions, and destruction for action scenes, mysterious whispers, wind, and heartbeat for suspense scenes, screams, gunshots, and vehicle sounds for fight and chase scenes. Add visual effects to make your trailer look more realistic. Focal allows you to use professional cinematic effects such as camera shake for action scenes, lighting effects for a more dramatic look. After all the steps are done, it's time to review the video and get the final output. Make sure all the scenes are in the right place. Adjust the background audio and sound effects. Edit or replace some scenes if needed. Click Publish and download and get your cinematic trailer. Using Focal ML AI, you can create a high-quality, professional, and eye-catching animated movie trailer in minutes, without the need for complex software or a large production team. By combining cinematic images, special effects, professional voiceover, and the right filters, your content can reach a whole new level. Now it's your turn to create a creative trailer and revolutionize the world of filmmaking with AI. Get 250 free credits to get started. If you are a beginner and want to create professional videos, the good news is that you can get 250 free credits to try out this amazing tool without any initial cost. But if you really want to produce high-quality, professional content and make money from it, I suggest you get an affordable subscription. Instead of paying $10 for 6 different tools, you can get all these amazing tools for just $10. This option allows you to create amazing videos without any limitations and benefit from all the advanced features. I have put the link in the description. Just click on it and check for yourself how useful these tools can be. Trust me, there are many people using AI to create amazing videos and earn a lot of money from it. You can be one of them. Until the next video.